Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're looking at the SPY on the 10-minute chart and an epic put play that we did with 2 days. We did March 23rd, 270 calls on the SPY. We took them when Uncle Jerome was giving us lip service here. The reason why we took this trade was because of the 200 MA. We had the 618 up here, the 25 or the 382 retrace, and on the daily chart we had big resistance as well with this big breakdown candle, the 20 MA. You had gap fill, 50 MA above it, a lot of protection just in case if this thing went against us. It never did. Straight down for 3 days into options expiration. Epic trade, guys. We bought these. Here's our members. We have our paid members on our Twitter feed, and here was the post right here. So we bought SPY puts March 23rd, 270 at 67 cents. Okay, so we bought those right after the SPY announced, and I was thinking if this thing can't get above the 200 MA, we're going to hold on to these, see if we get a small pullback. So it bounces up again, and what do? We added more. So let's look at this. Let's look at the option chain now, guys. So right here, I'm going to zoom in on this one. Right on the 21st. So I'm going to zoom in again. So right here on the 21st, when this was bottom feeding, this is where we were buying right here the first time. So it comes back in. These things, I think the low was right around 60 cents. We get in. Pulls back again. Comes back to double bottom on the chart again. And what do? We buy more. So we told everyone it was a high risk play, don't load the boat. But when this thing pulled back and couldn't get above the 200 MA on the 10-minute, I had to add more. So now this thing starts to fall. So this thing 1, 2, 3, 40 minutes falling. What do at StockBookie, guys? We start pulling it off. 133, we take half off at 133, almost 100%. I'm telling everyone, protect this trade. Next candle right here falls again. What do? We pull the rest. We pull half of the half. So we did half off for almost 100, half of the half for a 170, whatever that would be, 150%. We're holding a quarter position now. Now if you look, so the next trade, so the next morning, well, we did a video on Facebook, and then the next morning right before it opens, I'm telling everybody, hey guys, protect this trade. Protect or please sell or protect the quarter position SPY puts going to get paid today. So we sold them at 296. So a 66-cent entry, sold them at 296. Then we have we also covered on March 22nd. We covered the BABA call, and then the rest is history, guys. We do a lot of shorting calls, shorting puts, and shorting stocks, guys, at StockBookie.com. We will be long in these markets eventually, just not now. And I just want to show you one more trade too, because I don't want you guys to be a donkey out there. Some other trader, while he was laughing on his call position on Facebook, we actually shorted the same position he was in. Short calls, Facebook, April 20th, 170 at 710. Guess what we did today, guys? We covered these today for a 50% gain, and we were out. So as this guy was bragging about his gains and now he's underwater, we actually shorted the calls, same calls he was in, but we shorted these and actually got paid on these 50%. We got paid 50% on the BABA, and we did get paid on these March what are they, 23rd, 270 SPY puts. Today, guys, check this out. Let's go back to the option chain. Let's go to the 1 minute. Today they hit $8.16. The markets are starting to sell again, and here we are at 810. Now the bid is 786 by 819, so these can possibly go higher, guys. But 66 cents to 816. Oh man, was that an epic one, guys, or what? So moral of the story is we took our profits. We didn't care. I'm not going to sit here and, oh man, I wish I would have held 300% gains in an option. We took another SPY one. Gosh, we took a SPY put play on March 12th. We were in that trade until the 19th, and we got paid 100% on that one. But like I said, guys, when these markets were going up, check this out. When these markets were going up here, we were adding calls, shorting calls. Got paid. When it popped up again on the 9th, we were shorting calls again. got paid again. We just took off 22 winners in the last 2 weeks, guys, and then some more. And they were mostly shorting calls for 50% plus on every position. So guys, next big support 261.40. If this cracks or if we close below in this area, guys, we are going down next week. Just protect your long positions and don't get stuck in these trades, guys. Markets are a little bit whippy, and I think they're making a top here. And gosh, this action 1600 down. We were 750 down yesterday, and today we're bleeding pretty good again. Everyone thought, oh, buy the dip here. Excuse me, here we go again, and then boom, we got follow through. We're going to confirm below the moving averages now, still above the 20, still okay, but watch this area, 261.40. If we crack below that, we will be heading down. We'll be waiting for the next pattern. I hope we get one more retrace, guys. We'll do it again, just like we did here, just like we did there. All right, guys, thanks again for stopping by, watching my videos. Don't forget to become a member at StockBookie.com. There is also a paid membership for all my trades if you're interested in that. All right, guys, thanks again. I really do appreciate it. Let's try to make some more money in these markets. God bless. See you on the charts.